The last command, we will talk about it in draw list, is hatch. Go to home tab, hatch, to select, left click. So we got our hatch creation menu. Here we have boundaries, pattern, properties, origin, options, and close. This one we can click it when we are done with our hatching, or to exit hatching. So first, select your pattern or the type of hatch that you want to use. So here we have solid and gel, and if you click on this small arrow, you will get so many types of hatching. So let's say that we want to do a wall. So let's select this one, brick hatching, left click. Now here in boundaries we have pick points and we have select. Pick points, that is mean you have to specify internal point of your object, and by select, that is mean you have to select the outer boundaries of the object that you want to hatch. So first we will start with pick point, left click. So let's say that we have this rectangle and we want to hatch it with brick walls. So come here inside the rectangle and pick internal point, left click. As you can see that it's totally white. This is because of the scale. So go to scale, in properties, go to scale and change the scale. So let's say that, let's try 9, type 9, enter. So now we got our brick wall. Now let's talk about select. Go to boundaries and click on select. So let's say that now we want to hatch this object. So as you can see, if I came here internal, nothing happened because I have to select object. So come here and left click. So we got our brick wall. From properties, you can change the path, you can change the scale. You can also change the hatch transparency. You can also change the layer, make it by layer, the color. You can also set origin, and so many things which we will get to know in this tutorial. So now to finish hatching, click. So shortcut of the command hatch is H, type H, enter or space. As we said before that, first thing you have to select your pattern. So let's say that we want to do a concrete. So click on this small arrow and then select concrete, left click. Now from boundaries, click on pick points, left click. Let's say that we want to do hatching for this rectangle. So pick internal point and then left click. As we can see that it seems like there is nothing happened, and this is because of the scale. Go to properties and make it small scale. So type 1, enter. So now we got our concrete. We are done with our hatching. So in order to close hatch creation, come here and click on this symbol, left click.